What's good, YouTube? It's Rob back with another video. I have here the Sony Xperia XA2. I've been rocking out the screen protector that comes already pre-installed, which is not much. I wouldn't even call it a screen protector, but I left it on there until I was able to at least do some research and find some type of protection. Now on the Sony Xperia, the choices are very far and few in between. The tempered glass selections are almost unbearable. I've seen screen protector tempered glass where, due to the fact that the Sony has a curved screen, that it cuts off just short of the edges. So you just got literally a sliver of glass going right down the middle, leaving the curves exposed. Some of the other tempered glass screen protectors I've seen will literally give you a halo effect, and I come to the conclusion that it might be better to try a soft skin type of screen protector. So I'm going to try these J&D screen protectors. It doesn't score very high on Amazon, but at the same time there's not many reviews on it, so that can be a tricky situation. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. So give me a second, I'm going to get this unboxed. Using the cloth inside, I try to do a pretty good job of cleaning everything off. Sometimes I think these cloths do more damage than good. Use a dust sticker removal. Go over the phone very carefully. You'd be surprised when you're thinking you have this nice and cleared up and there's something underneath it. Something like dust removal, I will, take a couple of minutes. Make sure there's no fingerprints. Make sure the phone is off also when you do this. Peel from the screen protector. Make sure my fingertips are moist so I don't get the fingerprints in the corners. Wet down the screen so it makes it easy to align the screen protector. Wet it down. I use a camera hole that's available to slide the paper around, the actual screen protector around, and line it up. Hoping for the best. So far so good. Let's get the squeegee out. Hold one end and push towards the top. Hold the top and push towards the bottom. And sometimes you gotta hope for the best. You really don't recognize everything until everything is said and done. All right, let's take all the excess moisture off the screen so I can help squeegee. All right, I'm going to let this dry overnight before I turn the phone back on, due to the fact these Sonys don't have a lot of waterproofing in them. I might hit a hairdryer over it tomorrow. That's part of the drying process, just to make sure that it adhered to the screen, but that's just me. That's just a little silly things that I do. But other than that, it looks like it's a pretty good install. It's better to do these type of installations when you got time to let the phone sit. Please don't do these type of installations and then you gotta turn around and go right out with the phone. It's not going to end it's not going to end well. So for now, that's my installation of the J&D. I'm going to give it a try, let you know what I think of the actual screen protector, how it holds up. Right now, I'm just looking for protection. I know everybody prefers tempered glass, but the tempered glass selections are really bad for these Sony XA2 phones due to the slight curvature of the skin. They really not doing you justice, and you're wasting your money with a lot of them. But if you happen to run across any, or you know of any screen protector you think might work, let me know. Leave all that down below in the comment section. Also, I'm going to leave the links for this particular case. It costs $7.95. It's the J&D wet install case. It does have a PET HD film, high transparency type of screen protector. Supposed to be 99% HD clarity when the screen is turned on, and it shouldn't really interfere with the actual the colors that you see. So other than that, like I said, I'll leave everything down there. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.